How to open or create Reasons bank account. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up the steps. So head over to a browser, and then once you head over to a browser, go ahead and type in Reasons or reasons.com and hit search. Once you go ahead and hit search, you will be getting results. So head over to the first link, which is reasons.com, tap on it. And then after tapping on it, you will be finding the login interface. So if you're trying to create a PIN account, what you can do is, from this interface, at the top left corner, you should be finding 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on it. And when you do, a menu appears. Now from the given menu, select the option called Open an Account, tap on it. And then after tapping on it, this opens up. Now what you can do is, scroll down, and here you will be getting options like what kind of bank account you are trying to create. For example, checking, savings, credit cards, mortgage, loans, and lines of credit. So let's head over to savings, where we have these options as well. So you may see which option that you prefer. For example, this Reasons savings account bonus. Go ahead and tap on open now. And then after tapping on it, you will be taken to another page. Now what you can do is you will be getting started. You may go ahead and tap on the option called new customer if you're new. And what are the requirements are is it is an valid email address, a social security number, and your personal identification, which is, for example, driver's license, US passport, or state issued ID or military ID. So once you have all of these requirements fulfilled, you may tap on this new customer or existing customer. And here, what you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts after that. So here on this first page, you need to go ahead and enter up your first name and your last name. After that, email right below this section. Once that is done, you may select up your phone number type, like what is your phone number, your mobile phone number or the phone number of your home. You may select any of that in order to authorize your account and tap on next. And once that is done, you need to fulfill these forms up to the steps. And once that is done, your account should be created and you should be able to create a Reasons bank account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.